Hello everyone, look at this table skirt. Today I'm going to show you my new idea, the new method to make the table skirt like this. I know I already took some tutorial to show you how to make the table skirt, but I will take this video to show you a workable way and simple way to make the table skirt. Although this idea already shown on my old tutorial, but anyway, this video will show you the full procedure. Okay, now let's go. Okay, first of all, we need to take the measurement for the table skirt we are going to make. Look at this table. I'm going to make the skirt to cover 3 sides of the table, so I will take the measurement for this 3 sides. First of all, we need to use a ribbon. Okay, use a ribbon and then use a pen to mark a record on the ribbon. And then take the measurement. Okay, use a pen to mark the record on it. Okay, so this is the length of the table skirt we are going to make. Okay, the next step is our fabric. Since our fabric is about 1.5 meter wide, and the height of the table will be about, the standard is 75 cm tall. So we will fold it and cut it off. Okay, look, I cut off the fabric. And also, we need to cut off the sash fabric also. Okay, this is the fabric we got. Our table skirt consists with 3 layers of fabric. 1 layer, the silk fabric, and the other 2 layers, the net fabric. Okay, let's starting with the silk fabric layer. The length of the silk fabric will be 2 times longer than the table skirt we are going to make. For example, if we take the measurement of this ribbon is 1 meter, we will need to cut 2 meters long of the silk fabric. Okay, very easy. Take the ribbon, starting with this record we marked, and then use our fabric to take the length based on the ribbon. Okay, like this. Okay, to the other record of the ribbon. So, again, starting with this record. So, we will take the fabric 2 times longer than the ribbon, than the table skirt we are going to make. Look. So, completed with the fabric cutting we want. And we will cut a little bit more longer than actually length of the table skirt we are going to make. Okay, and also the net fabric using the same procedure. The difference is the length of the net fabric will be 3 times longer than the ribbon. Okay then, The next step, use the cardboard. You can use the larger one, but since I only have this small cardboard on hand. And then take the ribbon, look, and fold the ribbon in half. Fold it, and then like this. So we will take the light on the middle of the ribbon. Okay, and then the ribbon, look, the record we mark, and the smooth face. And 2 layers of the net fabric, look, just step 2 fabric together will be okay. Step together, 2 layers of the net fabric. This is the record. Okay. And then clip them on the cardboard by using a clip. On the other end, just the ribbon. And clip on the cardboard. And then cut a small piece of cardboard. You can decide the size of the cardboard. There's no rule. Just cut any size you want will be okay. And use this pen. This pen very special. The color will be disappear in hours or once you space some water on it. Look, display is the record we mark on the ribbon. Look, use the cardboard to measure. Okay, look, the spot we mark. 1, 2, 3. And then pick the fabric from the third spot and then fold it to the first spot. Look, step the fabric round. And then clip the fabric together with the ribbon. Look, the first spot completed. Okay, then the next ruffle. The first spot, the second spot, the third spot. Look, 1, 2, 3. Pick the fabric from the 3 spot and fold it to the first spot. Step the fabric well. It's not difficult, but need patience. Okay, step them together. And then clip together with the ribbon. The second one completed. Okay, look. This is what I make. My cardboard is small, so I only can make several ruffles like this. Okay, then take away the clip, hold on the ball. Look, this is what we got. Okay, and then serve them together, serve the ribbon and the fabric together along with the line we fold. Okay, completed with the serving. Let's take off the clip. Okay, completed with the net fabric layer. Look, and at the end of this layers a table skirt. Look, there are some fabric left. Look, this is the record we marked, but this fabric much longer than what we need, so we will cut it off. Okay, look, cut off the net fabric. Just leaves a little bit more rest. And then fold it along the ribbon, edge of the ribbon. Look, the record we marked. And then serve it. Together will be okay. Look, this is the effect. Okay then, next step. The next step is the next layer. Look, again, the record we mark. And then click on the ball. Okay, then the steel fabric. Look, the spot, the record we mark, and then step on the ribbon. The record of the ribbon will be okay. Still, our small cardboard. Okay, starting with the record we mark. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, when we make the net fabric layer, we just 1, 2, 3. But silk fabric, we will 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 spots. And starting from the 4th spot and step on the 2nd spot, like this, and clamp the fabric. Okay, but the SAS fabric, when we make this layer, we will step the 3rd spot to the 1st spot. Silk fabric layer from the 4th spot to the 2nd spot. Okay, so this is the difference. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then step the 4th spot to the 2nd spot. Clamp it. Okay, so the following procedure are almost the same. Just clamp the fabric and serve them together. I don't repeat it on this video, so I will show you the effect after I complete. Okay, look, completed with the serving. Look like this. And then we need to serve together with the welcome. Look, just turn on it. And then we will serve the welcome on this face. Okay, completed with everything. Look. Okay, let's put on the table and check the effect. Look at it, look, completed with this table skirt. Look, this is the effect. Okay, and on my opinion, we don't have to spend so many time to make the table skirt by ourselves. I take this video just want to share you the idea about how to DIY the table skirt. Because for the following video, I will use some special fabric to make the unique table skirt. So we can go fast for the following video. And also, if you are using the special fabric to make the table skirt, you can use this method to make it. But if you are using the very normal material such as this net fabric and ISIL fabric, customize the table skirt will be better because the price not expensive and you can use your time on something much more meaningful. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.